Google Ads bidding strategies simplified. Conversions versus conversion value. What's the difference and which one should you choose? When you select conversions, you're telling Google focus on conversions regardless of the value of that conversion per se. Let's imagine you're selling 5 products worth $10 each and you made 5 sales, that's $50. Yeah. But let's imagine some of your products worth $500 each. Then at that moment you would rather get a sale for that one product that's worth $500. So if you imagine it now, if your website has products that has the same or very similar value, then you would select conversions. But if your product prices differ, perhaps you have a product for $10 and you have a product for $1,000, then you would select conversion value, telling Google systems to bring you the most profitable revenue. That's the difference. Because as I've shown to you how you can create conversion actions, you can assign monetary value to your conversions as well. You can do that from goals, conversions, look at the conversion action you've created, look at its settings. If you're using Google Analytics, you can create custom events and assign monetary value to them here as well. So if you're creating a campaign and you're unsure as to which one to choose, now you have a basic understanding as to which one you should consider. For more easy to understand tutorials, definitely subscribe to Rank Your YouTube channel.